The DreamLab that has been created by Canva is absolutely powerful. I've created a jewelry brand and I've created a fitness brand in less than 5 minutes. These are 3 different brands, 3 different companies, 3 different motives, 3 different audiences. But I'm going to show you how I use Canva to basically create AI generated images with no images of my own. So if you are stuck for ideas and you're creating a brand and you need to just get content out there that looks visually pleasing, I'm going to show you how I use their new tool called DreamLab. Now DreamLab is very, very powerful. It's an image generating AI tool and you can create absolutely any form of images you want. I'm going to show you 3 examples. I created an example of a fitness page. I also created a jewelry brand and I also created a watch brand. I'm going to show you how I create all 3 using DreamLab. Let's get started. So when you come onto here, the first thing you'll see is when you log onto your platform, you'll be able to see DreamLab. Now DreamLab is right at the bottom, just over here. So under apps, you will see where it calls DreamLab. Now just bear in mind, I have a paid subscription and this is personally that I pay for myself, but it's worth bearing in mind that you get about 500 credits per generation, which is I think about enough for every 21 days. I'm going to first start off by creating a fitness brand and then I'm going to create a jewelry brand and then I'm going to create a watch brand and see how different it can do. Actually, what we'll do is let's create a baby product brand as well so you can see the variation. So the first one's going to be a fitness brand. So I'm going to ask it to create me a fitness brand with a male holding fitness equipment. I'm also going to ask it for the colors. So I'm going to tell it I want it in bright colors. So bright colors such as yellow, blue, and navy. So that it knows. And let's see if it can. Now, I probably will need the word brand, but sometimes when I use the word brand, it does create me logos. But let's see if it creates me a realistic image of a brand that is basically bright in color. It's holding fitness equipment. And it's about strength basically in fitness. So I'm going to click on create. And it's going to generate me an image. So every generation will pretty much come underneath your text of what you actually want. So you can see right now, it's created me a fitness brand. And you can see it's created me an image of someone holding fitness equipment. So I'm going to show you a few examples. If I open this up now, you can see this is an example of what it's created me. It's also created me something like this as well. I'm actually going to say what the logo is. I'm going to change it ever so slightly. I'm going to copy that over. I'm going to say, also include the logo of the company. So create me a fitness brand. I'm also going to add, and the logo of the company should be, let's say, fitness intense. Let me just actually see if it'll do that. So fitness intense. Let's try that. Let's go and create and see if it actually takes the name and then populates that and creates that image along with the logo. So let's see, fitness intense, and it's done that, guys. So this is really, really powerful. So you can see here, it's got a male holding fitness equipment. It's got my logo called Fitness Intense, and it's pretty much generated me a very strong image for my brand. Now this is really, really good. Now I'm going to show you an example of a jewelry brand. So I'm going to take this off and change it. I'm going to say now create me a jewelry brand with women and men holding jewelry or holding rings, say bracelets, and let's say earrings, and see if it can do that. And I'll give it the name of the logo, or the logo should be, I'm gonna say, let's call it Jewel and Co. and see if it does that. Jewel and Co. Let's see if it does that. Okay, so I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna click on create and see what it can generate me. So give it a few seconds. Now this is for a jewelry brand, guys. So let's see if it's gonna do that, and it's pretty much done that. And you can see it's created me literally in a few seconds. You saw that live here, a Jewelry and Co brand. You can see it's got people holding jewelry in their hands. And you can see here as well, the same thing, different colors, different styles. And you can see here, there's variations of that. And this is really, really powerful, okay? The final one I'm gonna do is a baby brand. Let's look at baby products. So we're gonna say create a baby product. So create a baby food. Let's do baby food actually, this guy. So let's do baby food. So create me a baby food brand. with bright colors, always like bright colors, with a image of baby food in a jug, maybe, or a cup. Jug, is it jug? Yeah, a jug. And let's say the logo name should be Mama and Papa Deco. Let's just give it that. Just a random name, but let's see what it can do. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to click on create and see what it can do. So I've asked it to create me a baby food brand, bright colors, with the image of baby food in the jug, logo name, and it has done that, guys. This is absolutely fantastic. You can see what it's pretty much done. It's created you a product description. It really creates you a really good design. I'm going to show you another one example here. You can see here it's created you another one. It is really, really powerful. So next thing I want to show you guys is that you can also add images into this. So I'm going to actually upload an image. So say for example, you are a business and you have an image that you already have and you want it to just create products or designs on the back of that image. So I'm going to basically use a watch that I've basically uploaded, and I'm going to show you how it can do that. So I'm going to click on add image. When I click on add image, I can then say it's style preference, and then I can choose what that image is. So I'm going to pick up an image. Just give me 1 second. So let's give it an image. So I'm selecting a fitness watch, and it's going to just put it through. So I've selected a fitness watch. So as you can see now, guys, I've literally just selected a fitness watch. I'm going to click on use image, and I'm going to say I wanted to use this image, but I'm going to change this now. So create a watch brand with the image attached. Okay, let's see what it does now if I do that. I don't even think I even need to write that. I think generally if I just add the image, it will create me a brand. So I'm going to use this just with the actual text, and I'm going to take out the text and see what else it can do. But you can see instantly, guys, I've uploaded the watch and you can see the variations it has created automatically. So you can create powerful ads, you can create powerful content without the need of actually getting someone physically to do that. And this is a very great way of building your business on low budget as a startup. So there's the variations of that, okay? The DreamLab that has been created by Canva is absolutely powerful, and I think it's going to revolutionize the way in which people actually decide on creating brands going forward. This will save you a lot of funds in terms of getting an editor out if you're starting out, especially if you are a startup. And I think this is where AI is going, and it's getting better and better and better, and it's giving you lots of ideas of what you can design. And you can even take it one step further. This could be your starting point, and then you can grow on the back of that. But this is absolutely amazing. So I've created 3 different brands. One was the baby brand, which is basically baby food, Mama, Papa and Co Day, or Mama, Papa Day and Co. I've created a jewelry brand, and I've created a fitness brand in less than 5 minutes. These are 3 different brands, 3 different companies, 3 different motives, 3 different audiences. So I would say that the DreamLab is absolutely powerful. So if you're interested in this, give this a go on Canva and let me know how you get on. And if you like this video, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.